Ugh. Hate spider webs. Ugh. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for waiting up. Really appreciate it. Hey, hi. We just got in from New York, and we're looking for a supervisor because we've been sitting on that beach back there for hours, and nobody's even bothered to show up. I don't know how things are, I don't know how things are normally run around here, but obviously there's been some sort of major screw-up, which is cool. So if you could just point us towards the administrative offices, we'll just,
We're hot and new.